high-strength steel is shaped with extreme precision.
In the heart of precision engineering, the journey of the Ford Everest Titanium begins, where raw steel
Massive coils of high-grade steel arrive, the foundation of a machine built to dominate every terrain.
High-strength steel arrives, the foundation of unmatched durability.
Every panel is forged under thousands of tons of force.
Robots ensure flawless structural integrity.
The Defender's backbone takes shape.
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together.
The chassis frame is reinforced, engineered for durability, off-road strength, and long-term resilience. Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise.
Robotic arms move in synchronized harmony, cutting, layering, and preparing every panel with micron-level accuracy. The monocoque chassis takes form, ultra-light, ultra-rigid, the backbone of Lamborghini performance.
Welding sparks ignite the darkness, each joint fused with absolute precision for maximum strength.
The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly, each piston, each crankshaft balanced to perfection.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, to shy every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Fuel tanks and exhaust systems are mounted, completing the vehicle's core functionality. Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Hand-assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence.
Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Form takes shape. Power begins to breathe. A finish that mirrors perfection. The heart, brutal and precise. Tested beyond limits. Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable. Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades. Layers of perfection begin with precision coating. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion.
I can't believe it's finally ours.
The ride is incredible.
Keep it moving, next truck.
Watch your clearance on the right.
All right, pull forward slowly.